This is a guided exercise for breath awareness. To start, find a comfortable position where you can sustain a few minutes of stillness. Gently allow your eyes to close. If you're more comfortable with your eyes open, try softly gazing at the floor, inviting your eyes to relax. For the next few minutes, there is nothing to figure out. There are no problems to solve, and there is nothing special you need to do. You are simply here to notice your body breathing. Place a hand on your heart or anywhere that feels comfortable and soothing. If comfortable, you might even cross your arms across your chest and hold your shoulders in a loving self-hug. As you gently connect with yourself, notice your breath coming in and out. Notice and enjoy the gentle pause and stillness at the top and the base of each breath. Know that throughout this practice, you have the power to pace your breath. Now relax the muscles in your abdomen, chest, jaw, and forehead. Then allow yourself to breathe a little slower and deeper than normal. See if you can follow the feeling of the breath from the beginning of your inhalation through the end of your exhalation. Notice with curiosity where you feel the breath in your body. And when your mind wanders, as minds do, gently refocus on the moment to moment experience of the breath. Continue to observe your breath for 3 to 4 breath cycles. Invite yourself to remain present with the breath in your body. Inviting your mind to remain present with the breath. The inhale and the exhale. And the one that comes next. And next. Beautiful. And when you are ready, gently allow your awareness to come back into this space, the here and the now.